What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be unboxing the Meta glasses. These were just released from Meta. These are the Meta Fury Racing Green with the light blue Atlantic. Yep, let's just get right into it. I've been thinking about getting AI glasses for a while. Finally kind of pulled the trigger once Meta came out with their own version. So here we go. Ooh, pretty cool case right there, green. First look. Looks like they're in some kind of packaging. I saw this case online, it's pretty cool. The light's on. Pull that. There's the first look. Not as green as I thought they were gonna be. Meta logo on the side. They're talking, so I'm gonna put them on, but there you have it. The Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses, the Meta Fury Racing Green. Cheers.